Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Honor 200 model and Android build so you avoid compatibility surprises. Once done, enable cellular, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth because some apps require network access to verify cards. Make sure location is on for certain NFC services. Next, open the payment or tag writing app you plan to use and grant requested permissions. This first step gets the phone ready. You need the right system permissions and network access to let NFC read and write securely and reliably. You now enable NFC in settings, then confirm the toggle is active so the chip can interact with tags and readers. Once NFC is on, choose your default payment or tap to pay app so the phone routes transactions correctly. This avoids failed payments. When testing, place the card or tag over the Honor 200 rear center where the NFC coil sits. A steady hold yields a reliable read. Make sure to keep cases thin or remove them if reads are inconsistent, because materials you finish by performing the read or write operation. In your app, tap read or write and present the tag until the app confirms success. For payments, authenticate with your fingerprint or PIN and run a small test transaction to validate the setup. If something goes wrong, restart the phone, remove any protective case, toggle NFC off and on, and retry. These steps clear software hiccups and improve coil alignment. If problems persist, update system, apps, and the phone before contacting support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.